Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set up gift cards on Shopify Store. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open your Shopify and go on the products, gift card, and now add gift card products now, where you can give a name to the title and also add the description. Now scroll down. Now here is the nominations. It is totally depend upon you want. And here is the media. Here you can add your file, your product, just like this. I will pick up from Google. Now add it, and now again scroll down. Here is the VIP gift card. Go to the edit and check it out if all the details are done or not. Now here is the product's status. Check it out if it is active or not. If it is not, then do it active, and here this save it. Now here you can change the price that you want and add to the cart. So this is the way how you can set up gift card on Shopify, and thanks for watching this video.